Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. Now let's have a road trip going to Valenzuela, Metro Manila, Philippines. So here we go.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
The Philippines, officially the Republic of the Philippines, is an archipelagic country in the Southeast Asia. The Philippines is bounded by the South China Sea to the west, the Philippine Sea to the east, and the Celebes Sea to the south. It shares maritime borders with Taiwan to the north, Japan to the northeast, Palau to the east and southeast, Indonesia to the south, Malaysia to the southwest, Vietnam to the west, and China to the northwest. It has a diverse ethnicities and a rich culture. Manila is the country's capital and its most populated city is Quezon City. Both are within Metro Manila. The Philippines is an emerging market and a developing and newly industrialized country whose economy is transitioning from being agricultural to service and manufacturing centered. Its location as an island country on the Pacific Ring of Fire and close to the equator makes it prone to earthquakes and typhoons. The Philippines has a variety of natural resources and a globally significant level of biodiversity. The country is part of multiple international organizations and forums. The country's 11 largest islands are Luzon, Mindanao, Samar, Negros, Palawan, Panay, Mindoro, Leyte, Cebu, Bohol, and Masbate, about 95% of its total land area. Its highest mountain is Mount Apo on Mindanao. The Philippines' longest river is the Cagayan River in northern Luzon. The Philippines is a priority hotspot for biodiversity conservation. 3 sites in the Philippines have been included on the UNESCO World Heritage List: the Tubataha Reef in the Sulu Sea, the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River, and the Mount Hamiguitan Wildlife Sanctuary. Valenzuela, officially the city of Valenzuela, is a highly urbanized city in the National Capital Region of the Philippines. It is the sixth most populous city in the National Capital Region and the 11th most populous in the country. A landlocked chartered city located on the island of Luzon. It is bordered by the province of Bulacan and cities of Caloocan, Malabon, and Quezon City. Valenzuela shares border and access to Tinijeros Tuliahan River with Malabon. Valenzuela is bordered in the north by the town of Obando and the city of Mikawayan in Bulacan, the city of Navotas in the west, Malabon in the south, and Quezon City and the northern portion of Caloocan in the east. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you've learned something about the Philippine history. See you again on my next video. Maasalama!